DigitalBix fashions. Athletic footwear became ubiquitous during the 1950s. Those were the times when functional and comfortable shoes became a necessity for various athletes. The astonishing growth of this market is credited to the fitness conscious population. Today, there are different sports shoes for the gym, running, walking, indoor and outdoor sports. Here is a list of top 5 sports shoe brands in India. Number 1, Puma. Introduced in 1948, Puma is a German multinational company. It sells footwear, apparel, and accessories in athletic and casual category. Topping our sports shoes brand list, Puma is a pioneer in the industry for creating revolutionary shoes. Number 2, Nike. Nike is an American brand founded in 1964. It designs, develops, manufactures, and markets apparel, accessories, and footwear. Chosen as one of the best sports shoes brands in India, Nike is a delight for athletes and fitness freaks. Number 3, Adidas. Born in Germany in 1949, Adidas is the second largest sportswear company in the world. This top sports shoes brand also offers an extensive range of apparel and accessories. Number 4, Reebok. Acquired by Adidas in 2006, Reebok is an English footwear and apparel brand founded in 1958. Give your wardrobe a stylishly sporty twist by picking a pair from Reebok sports shoe collections for men. Number 5, Fila. Established in 1911, Fila is an Italian South Korean brand that produces lifestyle and sporting goods. The merchandise offered by this luxury shoe brand is contemporary and utilitarian. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe our channel DigitalBix Fashions.